Hi guys, and welcome back. Just want to do a quick video on AMC. They just came out with some news and the stock is down 3% today. I will also be sharing my trades as well as some option strategies that you guys can implement into your trades as well. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Discord Patreon page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who's also trying to build up their portfolios. So if you guys are interested, check out my link down below. We have analysts in there giving out stock and option alerts. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. So AMC has postponed the 2021 annual stockholders meeting to July 29th from May 4th, which was supposed to be today, to enable individual shareholders to have their voices heard and more time to cast ballots on important shareholders' matters. The new record of June 2nd was established for stockholders entitled to attend and vote at the meeting. This week, AMC said it hopes to sell up to 43 million shares in an at-the-market offering. The company said it would use the proceeds for general corporate purposes, which may include working capital, the repayment, refinancing, redemption, or repurchase of existing indebtedness, capital expenditures, and other investments. The company also disclosed that the board of directors decided not to ask shareholders for permission to sell up to 500 million additional shares at its upcoming annual shareholders meeting, a proposal that had caused some upheaval with analysts and investors. CEO said last week that if investors approved the plan, he would promise not to sell any of those shares in 2021. The 43 million shares that will be sold were approved by shareholders years ago. This was a tweet that he made on April 27th. It is important for company management teams to listen to their. Many of you are not ready as of yet for a 500 million share authorization increase, so we will have tabled the idea for now. There will be no vote on this matter on May 4th, which was changed. They also disclosed preliminary financial results for its quarter ending March 31st. The company began to reopen more theaters as COVID-19 restrictions eased. AMC said that it expects to lose $567.2 million to $572.2 million on revenue of approximately $148 million. In the same quarter a year ago, AMC reported a loss of more than $2 billion. Analysts on average were expecting AMC to lose $514.9 million on sales of $158.4 million in the first quarter. AMC has raised more than $2 billion in share sales debt offerings since last fall. They also stated that as of March 31st, 585 of its 590 U.S. theaters had reopened at limited capacity of 15% to 60%, and 97 of 354 international theaters it leases or runs in partnership with others had reopened at 25% to 50% capacity. This pullback is a great opportunity for anyone who's planning to buy in or average down. Even though earnings aren't going to be great, I do believe this is a long-term investment, and it's possible that we might still see a short squeeze because if we take a look at the short volume, it's still very high. So if we take a look at April 26th, and if we go back to the chart, April 26th, we can see that it gapped all the way to $11.50 from a low of $10. Lately, the numbers haven't been as much as the 26. So as long as we have volume and have a high short interest, we still have a possibility of seeing a short squeeze. And if you guys don't want to miss on this, you can buy shares of AMC or even consider call options. If we take a look at the call options right now for this week, there's a lot of open interest on the 10 strike price, which is 29,000 open interest. Even the 24 strike price has 2,100 open interest. And the 10 strike price are going for $28. So these are very risky because they're weekly options. If you do want to risk it, you can possibly get a 10 strike price, or even go further out. A 15 strike price will only cost you $4 plus commission, which is 65 cents from TD Ameritrade. That is something you can consider. Or you can sell cash secure puts. I know some people are against this for some reason, but this is a great way to get the stock at a discount. Right now, for a 9 strike price, you can receive $27. So you do need to put up the collateral. It's 100 times the strike price. In this case, it's $900. And you receive $27, which you can use that money to buy shares of AMC. So if you keep doing this process over, selling cash secure puts, using the premiums to buy shares, next thing you know, you're getting a really huge discount on AMC shares. So I do have cash secure puts. I also have leap calls. Leap calls are call options that are longer than 1 year. And I like leap calls because there's more time for the stock to move in our favor. If we choose a weekly call, and if the stock doesn't go in our favor, we lose the entire premium. Nobody wants that. A 2023, that gives you at least a year and a half for the stock to go up. And what we like is in the money. Usually with a 0.8 or higher delta. So a 7 strike price is 0.81, and it'll cost us $560. We can sell calls against our leaps, which is also known as the poor man's cover call, and collect premiums on that. What I'm thinking of doing is buying a call option for a June 18th expiration date. 15 strike price has 25,000 open interest, which will cost us $71 per contract, or the 10 strike price here has 29,000 open interest, and it'll cost us $150. So the premiums are a little bit high, but if you do believe that AMC will go up, this is something that you can consider, because during the summertime there are blockbuster movies that's going to come out, which will definitely drive the stock price up. And I do believe that AMC will reach a high of $20 or more by the end of this year. Once they start increasing their capacity, once they start increasing the capacity to watch movies, I do believe it will drive the stock price up as well. My price prediction for the end of this year is at least $25, if not more. That gives us plenty of time for the stock to go up. And right now we are sitting at a very strong support. It has bounced off around 950 many times. This is a 9-month daily chart. We can see that it's just trading in this range of 9 to 11. 1150 is acting as a very strong resistance, and 950.10 is acting as a very strong support. So if you guys are thinking about buying in AMC, now would be the perfect time, because you guys definitely don't want to miss any upside. But before buying any type of securities, please conduct your own due diligence. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. Hope to see you guys there.